Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT to Delta Exchange in 2025. If you're new here, USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it perfect for secure and stable crypto transactions. Delta Exchange is a dynamic platform for trading derivatives and futures, and getting your USDT there is easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Delta Exchange account set up. If you don't, head to their website, sign up with your email, and verify your identity. It's crucial for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet section. Here, you'll find your unique USDT deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's like your digital bank account number, so double-check for any typos to avoid losing funds. Next, go to the platform where your USDT is currently held, whether that's another exchange like Binance or a personal wallet like MetaMask. Select USDT from your assets, choose the withdrawal or transfer option, and paste the Delta Exchange address you copied earlier. Don't forget to specify the network, Tron, Ethereum, or whatever matches your USDT. Mismatches can cause delays or failures. Before hitting confirm, enter the amount you want to transfer and check for any fees. In 2025, transaction fees might vary based on network congestion, so aim for off-peak times to save costs. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction and keep an eye on your Delta Exchange wallet. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to appear, depending on the blockchain. Finally, once your USDT shows up, you're all set to start trading on Delta Exchange. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication and use hardware wallets for extra security. Crypto isn't foolproof. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.